Ever wonder why some homes feel so rich and elegant while others look plain? What's the secret to making a space look high-end, without spending a fortune? Luxury isn't just about expensive furniture. It's about smart design, the right details, and a few expert tricks that can transform any home. In this video, we're revealing the best-kept decorating secrets for a high-end look in 2025. From the perfect color choices to designer-approved styling tips, you'll learn exactly how to make your home feel luxurious, no matter your budget. Stay with us. Section 1. The power of the right color palette. Want your home to look expensive without spending a fortune? It all starts with the right colors. The shades you choose can make your space feel luxurious or cheap. But don't worry. We're about to reveal the 2025 color trends that interior designers swear by. Why color matters. Luxury homes always have a polished, elegant look. But have you noticed? Their color schemes are never random. The right colors create depth, warmth, and that high-end feel we all love. Biggest mistake people make. Many people go for bright, bold colors everywhere. But too many loud shades can make a space feel cluttered and overwhelming. That's the opposite of luxury. The 2025 high-end color palette. Soft neutrals, think warm taupe, creamy beige, and soft grays. These shades give a timeless, sophisticated look. Deep jewel tones, colors like emerald green, navy blue, and rich burgundy add drama and elegance. Metallic accents, brushed gold, champagne, and antique brass bring a subtle luxury touch. How to use these colors? The trick is balance. Use soft neutrals for walls and large furniture. Then, add jewel tones in small doses, like on throw pillows, rugs, or artwork. Finally, bring in Metallica through decor, light fixtures, or mirrors. Tip: want an instant upgrade? Paint your walls in a warm taupe or soft gray. It's a designer favorite trick to make any home feel high-end. Now that you know the best colors, it's time to talk about texture. In the next section, we'll reveal the fabrics and materials that instantly make a space feel more expensive. Stay with us. Section 2. The secret of textures and fabrics. Now that you know the best colors for a high-end look, let's talk about something just as important: texture. Why texture matters. Luxury homes don't just look good, they feel good. The secret? Mixing different textures. This adds depth and richness to your space. Biggest mistake people make. Many homes feel flat because everything looks the same: smooth, plain, and boring. Without texture, even the best colors won't make your home feel luxurious. The best luxury fabrics for 2025. Velvet, soft, rich, and perfect for pillows, chairs, or sofas. Linen, a natural, high-end fabric that feels airy and fresh. Faux fur and wool, great for throws and rugs, adds warmth and coziness. Silk and satin, a touch of elegance for curtains, bedding, or accent pieces. How to mix textures like a designer. The trick is contrast. If your sofa is smooth leather, add a soft velvet pillow. If your rug is flat, try a chunky knit throw. Mixing textures creates that layered, designer look. Tip: want a quick fix? Add a faux fur throw to your couch or bed. It's an easy way to make any room feel more expensive. We've covered color and texture. Now let's talk about lighting. In the next section, we'll reveal a simple lighting trick that makes any home feel luxurious. Stay with us. Section 3. The magic of lighting. Now that you know the power of colors and textures, let's talk about something that can change everything: lighting. Why lighting is important. Luxury homes always have perfect lighting. It makes a space feel warm, elegant, and expensive. Bad lighting, on the other hand, can make even the best decor look dull. Biggest mistake people make. Many people rely on just one ceiling light. But that creates harsh shadows and makes a room feel flat. The best lighting tricks for a luxury look. Layered lighting. Use a mix of ceiling lights, table lamps, and wall sconces for a balanced glow. Warm light bulbs. Avoid bright white light. Instead, choose warm, soft lighting for a cozy, high-end feel. LED strip lights. Add them under cabinets, behind mirrors, or even under furniture for a stylish glow. Statement chandeliers. A bold chandelier or pendant light can instantly make a space feel luxurious. How to use lighting like a designer. Think of lighting in layers. Start with soft overhead lighting, then add table lamps for warmth. Finally, use accent lights to highlight key areas. Tip: want an instant upgrade? Swap out bright white bulbs for warm LED ones. It's a small change that makes a big difference. Now that your lighting is perfect, let's talk about furniture. In the next section, we'll reveal the biggest furniture mistake people make, and how to fix it for a high-end look. Section 4. Choosing the right furniture. Now that we've covered lighting, let's talk about something just as important: furniture. The right pieces can make your home look high-end, while the wrong ones can ruin the whole look. Why furniture matters. Luxury homes always have furniture that looks elegant, well-placed, and balanced. But many people make common mistakes that make their space look messy or cheap. Biggest mistake people make: buying too much furniture. A crowded space feels small and cluttered. Luxury homes always have space to breathe. Furniture secrets for a luxury look. Less is more. Choose fewer, high-quality pieces instead of filling a room with too much furniture. Go for classic shapes. Timeless designs like curved sofas or clean-lined armchairs always look elegant. Mix materials: wood, glass, marble, and metal together create a rich, layered look. Invest in statement pieces. One standout item, like a bold coffee table or a designer chair, can make the whole room feel expensive. How to arrange furniture like a designer. Give each piece enough space. Place furniture in a way that creates a natural flow. And always make sure your seating feels inviting. Tip: want an easy fix? Remove any extra furniture that isn't needed. A clean, open space always feels more luxurious. Now that you know how to choose furniture, it's time to talk about decor. In the next section, we'll reveal the secret to styling your home like a luxury designer. Stay with us. Section 5. The secret to luxury home decor. Now that your furniture is set, let's talk about the finishing touch: decor. This is what makes a home feel truly high-end. Why decor is important. Even the most expensive furniture can look boring without the right decor. The secret? Choosing the right pieces and placing them carefully. Biggest mistake people make: too many small decorations. A cluttered space looks messy, not luxurious. Luxury decor secrets. Use large statement pieces, big artwork, oversized vases, or a bold mirror add instant elegance. Mix high and low. Pair affordable finds with high-end looking items for a balanced style. Stick to a color theme. Too many colors can look chaotic. Keep it simple and elegant. Add natural elements: fresh flowers, greenery, and stone details make any space feel rich. How to style decor like a designer. Group items in odd numbers, like 3 or 5. Use different heights to create balance. And remember, less is more. Tip: want an instant upgrade? Swap small, random decorations for one large, eye-catching piece. It makes a big impact. Now that your decor is perfect, it's time to talk about wall art. In the next section, we'll reveal the best ways to decorate your walls for a luxury look. Stay with us. Section 6. The art of decorating walls. Now that your decor is in place, let's talk about something that makes a huge difference: wall art. Plain walls can make a home feel empty, but the right art can make it look luxurious. Why wall decor matters. Luxury homes never have bare walls. They use art, mirrors, and textures to create a designer look. Biggest mistake people make: hanging small art pieces all over the place. This can make walls look busy and unorganized. Best wall decor ideas for a high-end look. Large statement art. A big painting or framed print makes a bold impact. Oversized mirrors. Mirrors make a space feel bigger and reflect light beautifully. Wall molding and panels. Simple molding adds a luxury feel to any room. Floating shelves. Display a few stylish books or sculptures for an elegant touch. How to arrange wall decor like a designer. Hang art at eye level for a balanced look. If using multiple frames, arrange them in a neat grid or a clean, simple layout. Tip: want an instant upgrade? Swap multiple small pictures for one large framed artwork. It makes a space feel more put together. Now that your walls look amazing, let's talk about rugs. In the next section, we'll reveal how the right rug can completely change your space. Stay with us. Section 7. The power of rugs. Now that your walls look stunning, let's talk about something that can completely change your room. Rugs. A well-chosen rug adds warmth, style, and a luxury feel. Why rugs matter? Luxury homes always have the right rugs. They make spaces feel cozy, elegant, and well-designed. Biggest mistake people make: choosing the wrong size. A rug that's too small can make a room feel awkward and cheap. How to pick the perfect rug for a luxury look. Go big. A large rug makes a space feel grand. It should be big enough to fit under at least the front legs of your furniture. Choose high-quality materials. Wool, silk, or soft blends look and feel expensive. Stick to elegant patterns. Simple, neutral, or classic designs give a timeless feel. Layer rugs. Placing a smaller rug over a large neutral one adds depth and texture. How to place rugs like a designer. In the living room, a rug should go under the sofa and chairs to connect the space. In the bedroom, it should be large enough to extend beyond the bed for a cozy feel. Tip: want an easy fix? Replace small rugs with a large, well-fitted one. It will instantly make your space look more luxurious. Now that your floors are stylish, let's talk about details. In the next section, we'll reveal the small finishing touches that make a home feel truly high-end. Stay with us. Section 8. The power of small details. Now that your rugs are in place, it's time for the final touches, small details. These little things make a home feel truly high-end. Why small details matter. Luxury isn't just about big furniture or fancy decor. It's about the small things that add charm and elegance. Biggest mistake people make: ignoring details. Simple, small upgrades can make a home look designer-made. Luxury home details that make a big impact. Elegant hardware. Swap basic handles and knobs for gold, brass, or matte black ones. High-quality fabrics. Use velvet, linen, or silk for pillows, curtains, and bedding. Scent and ambience. Luxury homes always smell amazing. Use scented candles, diffusers, or fresh flowers. Organized spaces. A clutter-free space always looks more expensive. Use stylish trays and boxes to keep things neat. How to style details like a designer. Think about every corner. Upgrade your light switches, use matching accessories, and add soft textures to create a cozy, elegant feel. Tip: want an instant upgrade? Replace plastic soap dispensers with glass or ceramic ones. Small changes like this can make a big difference. Now that your details are perfect, let's talk about creating a balanced, stylish space. In the next section, we'll reveal how to make everything flow together like a luxury designer. Stay with us. Section 9. Creating a balanced and stylish space. Now that every detail is in place, let's talk about something very important: balance. A luxury home always feels put together, never random or messy. Why balance matters. Even with expensive furniture and decor, a space can feel off if things are not arranged properly. The secret is harmony. Biggest mistake people make: placing all the heavy or bold items on one side of the room. This makes a space feel uneven. How to create a well-balanced space. Distribute colors evenly. If you use a color, repeat it in small ways throughout the room. Mix large and small pieces. Balance big furniture with smaller decor items to create flow. Keep walkways clear. Luxury spaces feel open and airy, never cramped. Use symmetry when possible. Matching lamps, chairs, or accessories create a polished look. How designers create a harmonious space. Stand back and look at the whole room. Does one side feel too heavy? Move things around until everything feels balanced and natural. Tip: want a quick fix? If your room feels unbalanced, Try adding a large mirror or artwork to the empty side. It instantly makes a space feel complete. Now that your home is stylish and balanced, it's time for the final secret: how to maintain this luxury look every day. Stay with us for the last section. Section 10. Maintaining the luxury look every day. Now that your home looks luxurious, how do you keep it that way? A stylish home needs regular care to stay beautiful. Why maintenance is important. Even the most expensive home can look messy if it's not well maintained. The secret is small, daily habits. Biggest mistake people make: letting clutter build up. A luxury home always looks neat and fresh. Simple habits to keep your home looking high-end. Declutter daily. Put things back in their place to keep surfaces clean. Dust and wipe regularly. Luxury homes always look spotless. A quick wipe makes a big difference. Refresh your decor. Change small items seasonally to keep things interesting. Fluff pillows and fold throws. A well-arranged sofa looks elegant every day. Keep fresh scents. Use candles, diffusers, or fresh flowers for a welcoming feel. How to keep your home looking new. Every week, take a few minutes to check your space. Adjust decor, clean surfaces, and make sure everything feels fresh and stylish. Tip: want an easy way to refresh your home? Rotate your decor. Swap pillows, move vases, or change artwork placement for a new look without spending money. Luxury isn't about spending a fortune, it's about smart choices, attention to detail, and daily care. Follow these expert tips, and your home will always feel elegant and high-end. Now you know the best secrets to make your home look high-end. With the right colors, textures, lighting, and decor, any space can feel luxurious. Remember, luxury isn't about spending more, it's about choosing wisely. Small changes can make a big difference. Which tip was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more expert home decorating tips, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.